Problem number 8 gets a bit trickier, so let's take a look. In our isometric view, we're going to identify our front view first. So that plane we'll identify as plane A. But we also have another plane up here that is visible from the front view. So I'm actually going to label this plane A and change this to plane AA. I'll then move to my right-hand side and identify the planes visible from the right-hand side, plane B and plane BB. And then it's important to remember to go back to the front, and from the front rotate up to the top and identify the planes that are visible as you look down from the top. So we have plane C, plane CC, and plane CCC. Very good. Let's move on to the front view.
At this time, all students are dismissed.
So I'll build my front view first, starting in the lower left-hand corner, which is right there. From that point, I'll carefully count up and over my blocks. I have to be careful here because I have two planes in my front view. I don't want to miss one. This plane is AA. But remember, as I look at my isometric view, I also have plane A. And this sits directly above the top of AA. So that will go right on top there. From there we skip a block, put a dot, and we're going to draw our top view. So we look from the front. As we rotate to the top, we're going to start in the lower left-hand corner, which is that point right there. And that's this point on our multi-view projection. So I'll carefully count up and over my dots that I need to. This is going to be my plane CC. From this point I'll count up and over my dots. This is going to be my plane C. And then if my CC is one block wide, I'm going to look down from the top, drop straight down. I'm now at the lower left-hand corner of triple C, and I can count over and up to get my blocks for triple C. I can now draw on my lines. And then label. I just noticed that the width of my front view is not the same as the width of my top view. So now I have a problem. Either I made a mistake in my top view or I made a mistake in my front view. Let's take a look and see which one it was. I'll go back to my front view, starting in the lower left-hand corner. I'll count how many blocks wide I have, 3, and I will count how many blocks wide I'm supposed to have, 4. So what I need to do is erase the end, extend it by 1 block, and draw it in. A simple fix, but important to do. Next, we'll go to our right side view.